In the previous video, we already configured Etherchannel LACP and PAGP. That two protocol is layer 2 Etherchannel. This means that we configure trunk in the Etherchannel. Remember that before we configure Etherchannel, we configure trunk first. Now, in this video, we are going to learn about layer 3 Etherchannel. In layer 3 Etherchannel, the interface will not configured as trunk, but we will configure an IP address in the Etherchannel. And one thing that you need to know is layer 3 Etherchannel only work on layer 3 switch. So we cannot configure layer 3 Etherchannel in switch 2960. Okay, let's just start. Let's create a new topology. Import to 3560 switch. And then connecting these two switches. Because this will become layer 3 Etherchannel, so we will configure an IP address. Let's say in multi-layer switch 1, the IP address is 10.10.10.1, and in multi-layer switch 2, the IP address is 10.10.10.2. Let's start the configuration. Enable. Here we can see that the interface is fast Ethernet 0/1 until 3. So interface range fast Ethernet 0/1 until 3. If we want to configure an IP address in the multi-layer switch, we need to disable the switch port. The command is no switch port. Next, let's configure the Etherchannel. Channel group 1 mode and then question mark. To configure layer 3 Etherchannel, we can use mode on. Here we can see creating port channel 1. This is because we use ID 1 for the Etherchannel. Next, let's configure the IP address. We will configure the IP address on the Etherchannel interface. So, interface port channel 1, IP address 10.10.10.1 255.255.255.0. Okay, now we have done in multi-layer switch 1. Let's move to multi-layer switch 2. No. Enable. Configure terminal. Interface range fast Ethernet 0/1 until 3. First, let's disable the switch port. No switch port. Next, let's configure the Etherchannel. Channel group 1 mode on. Next, let's configure the IP address. Interface port channel 1, IP address 10.10.10.2 255.255.255.0. Okay, now we have done configuring layer 3 Etherchannel. Let's check it. Do show Etherchannel summary. Here we have port channel 1, uppercase R and uppercase U. Uppercase R means layer 3 and uppercase U means in use. The protocol is known and all of interfaces is in port channel. Let's also check on multi-layer switch 2. Do show Etherchannel summary. Here also uppercase R and uppercase U. This is main layer 3 and in use. Now, let's test ping. From multi-layer switch 2, ping to multi-layer switch 1. Do ping 10.10.10.1. Okay, here we can see that the result is success. I think enough for this video. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video.